channel. I'm Anna Kelly, coming to you live from Washington, D.C. We'll start off tonight by going to Sam with the current weather.
Good evening, viewers. I'm Samantha August here with your weather from Dulles, Virginia. As you can see, it's not a very nice day outside. The high is 48 and it's a low of 42, and it is currently 44 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Cover up, stay inside, but you'll be going to school, kids, because it's not snow because of global warming. And back to you, Anna, with some current news about the weather.
Thanks, Sam. Now we're going to cut to Emily Klingeman, who's in Tucson right now with the current weather.
Thanks, Anna. I'm Emily Klingeman here with the weather in Tucson, Arizona. It's currently 65 degrees out. The high today is 75 and the low is 60. This upcoming week is going to be really sunny, so put your shades on.
We invited professional environmentalist Climate Chanje into the studio to talk about her views on climate change. What can you tell us?
Global warming is a very real thing. I've brought with me my life's work to prove it. First off, I'd like to talk about why global warming happens. According to NASA, most climate scientists agree that the main cause of the current global warming trend is human expansion of the greenhouse effect, which is the layer of the atmosphere, and the gases get trapped in there, which causes the rays from the sun to get trapped in there, which warms the earth. Human activities are changing the natural greenhouse. Over the last century, the burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil has increased the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide.
Please elaborate on the data you've collected on this topic.
So first, I'd like to show you my graphs. These are sinusoidal graphs comparing Dulles and Tucson. Here you can see the years 1960 to 2010 for both Dulles and Tucson. Here you can see in our graphs the trends of every year. Although it's hard to tell, the graphs are getting higher, which means that climate change is real. And if you look, something that I noticed is that in 1980 and in 2010 for both Dulles and Tucson, they each had a dip in February, showing that February was the lowest temperature. But if you look closely at this graph, from 1960 to 2010, the sinusoidal graph has gotten larger.
I don't know if I believe this, Climate.
I'm telling you, it's real.
All right.
It's real. Okay.
Global warming's real. Tell us a bit more about this topic.
Well, according to National Geographic, since 1906, the global average surface temperature has increased between 1.1 and 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit. In some cases, global warming is predicted to increase in the areas of desert, just like Tucson. Global warming is increasing the incidence of drought, which dries up water holes, and this can cause more precipitation to be evaporated, which means less rain.
Well, thank you, Climate, for enlightening me and our viewers about global warming today.
Thank you for having me.
After learning a lot today about global warming and looking at the trends and the continuing human impact on the Earth, I predict that the temperatures in the next 10 years will continue to increase due to global warming.